Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you a useful site called surveymonkey.com. Basically, it's kind of like Google Docs surveys, but in my opinion, it's easier to use and it's more effective. You may have to use this in some of your electives for feedback on projects if you're in like any marketing class or anything like that. And you also use it occasionally in history, physics, so you'll use it a couple times. You also might have to use this for your future CAS project and any club you're in, because you'll eventually have to join clubs. So here we go. First, you want to make an account. So you'd hit sign up for free. You'd choose a username, password. You have to retype your password, and then email. Then you can have them send you emails with updates, but I always say no to that. But I already have an account that I just set up, so I'll use that. If I actually remember this. Yeah, look at that, I got it. Okay, so you can see once you actually get in, the layout's pretty nice. Yours, for the first time you view it, will be slightly different. There'll be some more different things down here, but now it's just like generalized tips now that I've actually created my first survey. So what you want to do is you want to go to the top right hand corner and click create survey. This opens up this menu, which you can use a new survey that you create entirely from scratch. I could copy my existing survey, which had one question, so that's useful if you like need to make changes to a survey, but you want it for a different purpose or something. Then you can also use an expert survey template. So say I'll just go to customer feedback and website feedback template, and it'll bring up, like for this one at least, 10 questions that all deal with website feedback that a customer might have to answer. So I'm just going to show you how to create a new one from scratch right now. So I'm just going to enter a title right there, so I'll just call it test survey 2, and then you have to select a category. I'll just go customer feedback for now, and then hit continue. Once this loads, you'll see you have a good amount of options. I'll start with the top. You can change these colors right here using this drop down box. This is aqua. So like say I want it like blue, it would change that into blue, and this is what the header would look like, and then this gray beige looking color right here would be what each question header is. So I'll just go show you some, and I'll just keep it on that. You can also create a custom theme, but to create a custom theme, you have to upgrade to a professional account, and that costs money, so no thanks. You can also edit the title of the survey here, and like say I want to like make the 2 bold or something. Go to, and now it's bold. You can also apply a nickname. This is just for your own reference. If you scroll back in the video, you see that the video I had made showed up under my account as something like test video made before, test survey made before video. The actual title is test survey. The nickname is to help you organize all of your surveys, but only you will be the one to see this. So I'll just call this after video, and you can save it. Notice how that changed to after video, but this still says test survey 2. You can add pages, but for now I'll just keep going with one page. So under here you can edit page information, so like a page title and then page description. That's only really necessary if you have multiple pages, so I never end up using that. Here in this drop down arrow, you can add text, add an image, or add questions. So I'm just gonna go add question. And then right down here it says question type. There's 16 different questions. There are 16 different question types. So I'll just show you a multiple choice one first with multiple answers. There we go. Don't know why that took a while. Normally it goes automatically. But you'll see that updates based on what you chose. So like, I'll just do how easy is it to navigate our website. That's a pre-made question. So if you click it, you'll see all of the information gets auto applied. So like all of the answers, and then even the question type. So I want to edit that, so I'll just close, add new question. So I'll be like, if you just don't want to do that, you can just be like, how easy is it to navigate our website? And then just never hit one of the certified questions, and it won't autofill anything. So it can be like very easy, not easy, and then bad. You can also hit an other. If you check this box, it adds an other option, which also enters a text field that they can type into. This way, like if you're asking a question but it doesn't really apply to them, or they apply to multiple answers and you selected that they can only choose one, they can hit other and specify that. You can also require them to answer the question before it's filled. I do that with almost every question just so people don't skip it. Then you can randomize the choices, but I feel like most of the time when they're in an ordered structure like this, it doesn't matter at all. I feel like that'd only be helpful if like it was an online test or something. Okay, so I'm just gonna save and close. Then you'll see that this is what the first one looks like. Now I'm just gonna add, let's say, single text box real quick. Okay, so you can require an answer, and then you can also require that they enter text between 0 or between like however many letters to however many letters you want. You can also do a whole number answer, decimal, date, in 2 different ways, and then an email address. That's good for validating the text so they don't like spam you with all this useless information. So just go with that for now because it's not really important. And save and close. Okay, now that I have 2, I'll show you how easy it is to move these. Just hit move and then hit move question here, and it will just move it. That easy. at the end it gives you an option to add another page, but for this we don't need to. The other page can just be like, thanks for filling out our form, we appreciate the feedback, something like that. So now we're going to preview the survey. This is what it would look like. You can check multiple of these because I selected that. And then random text here. And that's what everything would look like. And then you can hit send survey. And it produces your survey link. This is just the link that you need to give everyone so that they fill out your survey. You can also customize it, but once again you have to pay, so that's not even that helpful. And then you can send it over email and Facebook and all these other things, but a good amount of that you have to pay for too. Then you can go to analyze results in the top tab, and it will show you how many people responded, like say in a multiple choice, how many people said like very easy, easy, not easy, and hard to navigate, and then what the percentage of that is. It also show you how many skipped it, but if you require an answer, that should always be 0. Then for the example question, it'll show you what they wrote out. And at the top you'll see it also does total started survey, which means how many people started it, and then how many people finished it is below. And because none started, it says not applicable. Okay, so that's SurveyMonkey. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope that helps in some of your classes.